Hello everyone, you're most welcome to my another interesting video. I am back with my another interesting video and I hope this video would be very helpful to you. So guys, if you are watching my first time videos, please click on the subscribe button and press the bell icon for new update. And in this video I am going to talk about a new method how to think in English without putting any effort. So guys, stay few minutes and please watch the video till end. Definitely this video would be helpful to you. Actually I am also using this method, so I'm going to start without getting any delay. My today's topic is that how to think in English and think in English and speak. So guys, how to think in English? Because of 5 W's method I can think in English and I can speak fluently and confidently because of 5 W's method. But what is 5 W's method and how can I implement in our day-to-day life 5 W's method? So guys, I am going to describe in detail manner how to use in our day-to-day life 5 W's method and how to speak fluently and confidently because of 5 W's method. 5 W's method, that means you can say, first of all you can say who, after this what, after this when, after this where, and last you can say why. Because of 5 W's method I can speak. So guys, I am going to describe and you can also describe. Pick up any person name, pick up any time. It can be any morning time, it can be afternoon time, and it can be evening time. You can describe, but you first of all you have to pick up any name. Because who, that means you can say any person. Okay, who, I'm going to pick up any. His name is Vijay. Who, his name is Vijay. What, he is a gym trainer, he is a gym trainer. And when he go to the gym around 6 o'clock in morning time. Where he go to the gym? In their city, it is not too far long from their home. And why do he go to the gym? Because he feel very energetic, that's why he wants to go to the gym for taking some exercise. So guys, I'm going to speak continuously. Is how to speak continuously. You can, his name is Vijay, he is a gym trainer. He go to the gym around 6 o'clock and his gym trainer located in their city. He go to the gym because he feel very energetic and he wants to take some exercise, that's why he go to the gym. So guys, in this way you can pick up any name, you can describe, and you can, after picking up, you can speak continuously. So I'm going to pick up afternoon time, what kind of activities I want to do. Because I'm going to describe afternoon time what, so I'm going to pick up myself. What do I do in my afternoon time? So who, I am Tipu Kumar, you can say. And what, I want to cook food in afternoon time. And when? Around 12 o'clock. Where? At my room. And why? Because I feel very hungry, I am famished, that's why I want to cook food. Actually, now I'm going to speak continuously. This is Tipu Thakur, and I want to cook food at my room because I feel very hungry, that's why I want to cook food. And you can use, and in this way you can pick up your evening time. What do you do in your evening time? Suppose that you go to the prayer, you go to the performing prayer in evening time. Who wants to go performing prayer in the evening time? Suppose that her name is Ria, she wants to perform prayer in evening time. But who, she name is Ria, and what, she wants to performing prayer. And when? Around 6 o'clock. Where? She goes to performing prayer in their hall. And why? Because because of performing prayer, she feel very peacefully, that's why. Now I'm going to speak continuously. How to speak continuously? Her name is her name is Ria. She wants to performing prayer around 6 o'clock in their hall. Why? Because she feel very peacefully. That's why she wants to perform prayer. So guys, in this way you can also practice English. In this way you can think in English and speak confidently and fluently. So guys, I hope this video would be helpful to you. If you like this video, please do thumbs up. And that's all for this video. I will meet you next video. So please write in the comment box. If you have any suggestion, please do not forget to write in the comment box. And if you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon for new update. So till then, bye bye, take care.